In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a battery on a Ford Escape. It's located in the engine bay area. Right behind your driver's headlight is your negative battery terminal stud. You want to remove that stud. That stud is a 13 millimeter. To get to your positive terminal, you need to remove this cover. You pull straight up and straight towards you. Put that off to the side. This is your positive terminal. It's a 10 millimeter nut. You need to loosen that nut. Once the nut is loosened, wiggle and pull straight up. In order to remove our battery, we need to remove our air cleaner box. There's 4 8 millimeter bolts. After you remove those bolts, lift straight up, put the top off to the side. After you put your cover off to the side, you need to remove your air filter. Just pull straight up, put that off to the side. There's a strap that holds your air filter box to this hose. It's just a regular screwdriver. You need to loosen that strap. In the front, there's another strap. Just pull straight down and up and unhook it. There's your air intake sensor. Remove the clip by pushing the clip and putting that off to the side. Then pull straight up with your lower air box. And put that off to the side. Your battery is held down by a strap here. It has 2 10 millimeter nuts, one on each side. You need to remove those. Now the other nut on the other side. After you remove both nuts, pull straight up on the tie down and pull straight out. In order to remove this panel, you need to remove these 3 clips here for this wire. Just take a pair of pliers, pull straight out. Do the same for the other 2. Now you have this cover here. You want to pull up, push straight out. Do the same thing on the other side. And take your cover and push it straight down. Now you want to take your battery, you want to lift it up and pull it straight towards you. Now you can get to your negative battery terminal. Loosen up your 10 millimeter nut. Pull straight up. And remove your terminal. Grab your 2 handles. Pull straight up. And out. To install your battery, tilt it straight. Put it down into the pocket. Install your negative battery terminal and tighten your 10 millimeter nut. Make sure your terminal doesn't move and slide your battery into the tray. Reinstall your front cover by sliding it into the 2 clips. Pushing straight down until it locks in. Now you can reinstall your clips that hold your wiring to the cover. Now you can reinstall your tie down over your 2 studs and reinstall your 2 nuts. Before you reinstall your airbox bottom portion, there's 3 studs here. You need to line those up with the 3 rubber mounts there and push straight down. Once you've lined those 3 up, you just want to push straight down. And then reinstall your strap. Now reinstall your air intake sensor. Wait for the click. Reinstall your air filter. Then reinstall your cover. Now tighten the clamp. Take a positive terminal, slide it over the post, and tighten your 10mm nut. Give it a wiggle, make sure it's tight, and reinstall your cover. Slide it back first, and push straight down. Slide your bolt through the negative terminal. Start your bolt in the hole, and tighten your bolt. Make sure it's nice and tight.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.